Here we are going to learn how to measure the resistances when they are connected in series. Here I have taken three resistors. The resistor value, first resistance value is 555 ohm. The second resistor value is 552 ohm. The third resistance value is 555 ohm. Almost all the three resistors, their resistance values are same. Nearby I have kept the real carbon resistors. Okay, now I will measure the individual resistance of the resistors. Just to observe, with the help of digital multimeter I will measure the value of the first resistance. Just I am keeping the probe across the first resistor. It shows that 555 ohm. Resistance of the second one is how much? 552 ohm. Are you clear? Resistance of the third one is, look at that, 555 ohm. So individual resistors values are checked. Now this is the symbolic representation of the network. Here all the real resistors, they are connected here and they are soldered here. Look at the formula. Our aim is to find out the total resistance of the combination when they are connected in series. The formula to calculate the total resistance is Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Substitute all the values, 555, 552, 555. If all are added, you will get 1662 ohm. And it can be converted into kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm is equal to 1000 ohm divided by 1000. 1662 to be divided by 1000, you will get 1.662 kilo ohm. That is the final answer. This is obtained from the formula. Now we will check it up. What would be the total resistance of the three resistors when they are connected in series? Look at the display, multimeter display. Now I will check the total resistance of the combination. Are you clear? Now you just simply keep it here and look at the value. That is exactly accurate. 1.662 kilo ohm, that is equivalent to 1663 ohm. Are you clear? So if you connect the three resistances when they are connected in series, what we have to do? We have to sum up all the individual resistances, you will get the total resistance. So experimentally it is verified. By demonstration we have verified the formula. Could you understand this? Already we have learnt how to measure the net resistance when the resistors are connected in series. Now we are going to learn how to measure the resistance of the three resistors when they are connected in parallel connection. Here I have taken three resistors. The resistance of the first one is 555 ohm. The second one also 555 ohm. The third one also 555 ohm. All the three resistors, they are connected in parallel connection. Now we are going to calculate, we are going to measure the total resistance, net resistance when they are connected in parallel connection. So what is the formula? Already in theory you may have learnt about the formula 1 by Rp. Rp means the net resistance connected in parallel is called Rp. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is the formula. Now here almost all resistance values are same. Therefore instead of R1, R2, R3, we could substitute 555 ohm. 1 by 555 plus 1 by 555 plus 1 by 555, all are substituted. After substitution, what will happen? Here straight away we can add all the 1. So after adding you will be getting 3 divided by 555. 555 is the common factor. Therefore 1 by Rp is equal to 3 divided by 555. Okay, Rp will be equal to 555 divided by 3. So you will be getting 185 ohm. The meaning is the combination of these three resistance across which the total resistance value is 185 ohm. Understood? That is a total net effective resistance when the three resistors are connected in parallel connection. Okay, so here Here I have connected the real carbon resistors. Each one of them, their resistance value is 555 ohm. Are you clear? All the three resistors, they are connected in parallel connection. Now I am going to measure the total resistance. I am going to measure the total resistance of these three resistances. Are you clear? Now you let us check it up. What would be the total resistance value? Here I am going to keep the probe on the common point, common terminal. Just look at the value. Look at here. The total resistance value is 185 ohm. Are you clear? When they are connected in parallel connection, the total resistance value is 185 ohm is the net effective resistance when these three resistors are connected in parallel connection. So with the help of digital multimeter, that I have calculated the net effective resistance value, that is already proved by using the formula also. So both the reading which is shown by the multimeter and the calculated value, both are same. Are you clear? Again I will show it. Look at the value, look at the calculated value and the reading shown in the digital multimeter, both are same, both are equal. Are you clear? Both are equal. Look at that. 185 ohm is shown by the digital multimeter. The answer obtained from the formula is also 185 ohm. So this is the method of checking the resistance value using digital multimeter. We could use the formula also. Understood?